How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be replacing the fog lights on my 2013 Touareg. Just going to upgrade the bulbs to something a little brighter. Looking at the yellow LED lighting here. So let's see how it goes. Alright, you can kind of see it here. A little cover that we have to pry off. And once that's clear, we can access the fog light bulb. Alright, so you can see here the old bulb that came out. Nothing wrong, pretty old. And here are the replacements. Alright guys, there it is. Kind of hard to tell how good they actually look on camera, but I think the yellow looks really nice. A little bit JDM-esque, but cut off is clean. Looks pretty good to me.